ang apugan na kumakain ng corn, eating corn. Si Kuya Gab Ocampo Bertuccio. Wow. He's so full of very eating tasty corn. Wow, yellow corn.
That is so yummy.
He's so yummy for his tongue.
Yummy not. Yummy.
And cousin Nathan Angelo Moro Ocampo. And our inalagaan, we took care for him when he was a 2-month-old baby. Terence Romeo Garcia Aala. Yan. And Tita Joy. So yummy for his tongue. Very healthy baby. The
Yummy.
eldest son of Sydney Lamak Vertuccio and Rona Nona, Mami Nona Ocampo Vertuccio.
Kung paano tayo kapag-rubber na natin?
Corn.